sit back, relax, go grab your popcorn, get your stool, sit and cross your leg, because this comedy video you're about to watch is a very hilarious one. Very, very hilarious one. Subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon. Without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy. Let's go.
Hello, James. Like it's over 2 hours. You see they're coming to pick me.
You didn't want me.
What kind of embarrassment is this now?
It's not going to be easy.
Hold on. If you're not coming, book an Uber for me. Yes, now book an Uber. What kind of embarrassment is this? See, hold on. I will just go inside and undress. I mean it. My body no dey like stress at all.
This guy is not really
Please
going to take
hurry
it easy. Honestly, I swear. Let me adjust.
Rubbish.
He will not take it easy. I swear. I swear. He's
It's
not
your
going to
afternoon.
take it easy.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Who they follow talk like that? Nah, man.
Aha.
They make him book right for you. Or if you no book, make him come pick you.
Chai.
See where they stay.
Oh, no.
No be bike you supposed to use.
Sorry, sir.
She quickly ran away because she knew that Ogaro Lam, if he decide to talk, Ogaro Lam will give her double wahala. Shopofo, and this one is actually funny. You just have to listen attentively and
I the B. I the suspect say you be B. Oh.
Which can question?
I did something.
Because you just sweet like honey.
For you safe now, also.
You are bad guy.
Let's say you don't know my nickname. Now me they call her Sophia.
Oh yeah, should pay my money.
Cardi B, calm down. Now me they call Shopofo gambling. I'm betting. Only chocolate on Security Bet Telegram channel. They give me better horse to bet on.
Really?
Yes, now you I don't wire 500k when we won't start 17th round. You don't forget. Shopofo. So now you lick my wife honey.
Oh,
This one go. No
this is
wonder
not
she always
fair.
they call your name when me and I they knock. Really?
Oh, blame say they come my name when they knock you. My God. Oh yeah, no vex again. Come with the glass.
So Bobo is actually happy for the bad he has done to him.
Oh, Mr. Bobrisky is so nice. Yes,
Wait, oh. My name not full name Bobrisky. Babe.
Ah,
who can be Bobrisky?
they have been cheating on both of them. The girl is anyhow. This one actually off me.
Confirm.
They actually grabbed me one
Boss.
from
My client
Funny
don't pay.
Bros.
How much you drop?
$500.
Don't say you know the percentage. Na 90-10. Okay, boss. Share the slip.
What's going
I'm
on?
ready to. I don't see a boss.
Funny Bros actually leaving. Like,
Short. Boss. My client don't pay you.
How much you drop?
$100. Just say my use them they saw.
The percentage na 90-10.
Boss. Even for $100.
They do pack.
I beg, sorry sir. I beg you, my collector.
You open HK?
No sir.
Share the slip. You don't send them.
I don't send them.
I don't credit you. Hope say you the bomb. This one you the waka waka.
Yeah. I want your first.
this is where the comedy comes in. It's very hilarious. Just watch. Watch and see what Funny Bros will do to these people. And you will laugh, eh? I want you to watch this comedy to the end. You will enjoy it, I swear. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This one Moscow is looking. You have eaten. Okay.
Mama, I beg now you help me off gas.
How many of them?
You don't see any pot on top.
Okay, now you the cook indomie.
Yeah.
Indomie with pepper no day. Come wash them.
Who got you? Hey! You get mad?
Yes, sir.
No people let me come and escape my car for our own.
It's true.
You don't know say na my last indomie did that. Yesterday when you collect me 90%, you know me buy indomie.
I wonder.
He clear. Like this, how many percent you go to collect me? Me, I know I want for start.
For that night to give me 10.
Exactly. Start the bomb.
Okay, sir.
Likewise, everybody. The bomb. Okay, sir. From now, I'm maybe a new boss. Okay, boss.
Boss.
All I know is that when
Moscow is now the boss. Like.
Boss. You man a block Olamo.
Eh? On top my indomie, you my
Why is it that Funny Bros was actually, land himself into very big trouble? He went to eat Moscow indomie. Hey, Moscow, Moscow, the guy who goes you are a problem, you are a problem. This one is from Nasty Black, and it's actually also funny.
Babe, won't you make food for me?
Oh, babe, I'm only late to work again today.
You said the same thing yesterday now.
Order something, babe. Please, I love you.
Huh? Sometimes the way gets to
Here
you.
you go, sir. Babe, I am tired.
Honey, you are back. Meet the new chef.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sorry, is the food sweet?
You are.
That's all.
You never see anybody. Sorry, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Sorry. Good afternoon.
Oh, babe, that's the cleaner.
All the aspects are actually having the down things
You know you're saying
on
the snap
them.
eyewitness for eye.
So, which one should I iron? The blue or the white?
The blue one.
Good afternoon, ma.
I know you now.
What is that?
Get out! Don't tell people! Over Snapchat, they ain't girls! Rubbish! Go to your house!
They should go to the house and you are not even doing your duty
I'm
as
going
a
to
wife.
work.
Hold on, I packed you lunch.
Who told her to change? Can somebody explain to me? Who advised her?
Baba, as we speak now, my wife has been humbled. But see, I have good news for you. Remember that one is presenting a big win.
Well, you see, most times there is no need to quarrel over some things. If your wife or your spouse is not doing it right, there are ways to handle them. This is a good update from Nasty Black to everyone out there. Just use this trick. If you don't work, make I bend. Let's continue with this funny comedy, guys.
Okay, honey. This is our new gym instructor.
Good afternoon, sir.
You know I don't like working out, so I got someone.
Slowly.
Okay.
Slowly.
Okay.
Don't move. Hold it right there. Pull energy. Now spread it wide for me. Spread it wide. Good.
How are you going to fight a gym instructor? A gym instructor that was on his own jejely. You went to call him, and now you are like trying to fight him. Your wife went to call you, yes. AI, this AI girl. Sometimes she needs beating.
Let me check you, sir.
If you no be Messiah, bound you must make me $500,000 sire.
Sir, I have detected that you have kidney disease, brain disease, malaria, amyloidosis, diabetes, HIV and AIDS.
Only one person. Different type of
The person died. The one thing is that I don't even know what they do yourself.
Oh, bro. Are you a big man that need to play?
What?
Can you imagine?
Will you keep quiet? The only thing we saving on that easy cake. Yes, easy cake.
Is anything easy, yeah?
Don't let me talk now, but you want to die?
Can this one don't do anything?
Go and download easy cake.
Is this not our AI? Speaking
Because as
PG.
it is right now, even God will not detect your problem.
Are you
looking at me? Smart is pretty fast.
How now many million? From Dubai.
Easy care, making life easy.
Yeah, JC, listen to the lines. My neck no be water.
Mama
but
Okazi
I
on it again.
Your girl no be motor, but I drive am.
Driver.
She thinks I be plumber, the way I dey pipe am.
Oh yeah, this one na banker, but this one na granite and red.
Calm down.
Straight up.
No, drop am tomorrow. This one na straight to top one for sharp.
490 billion streams.
He dey find Jesus.
I go drop am tomorrow, and I will make you my manager.
Bishop, you got my daughter pregnant.
I can't laugh again.
Let's have it.
Carry your hand down. No be you dey knack this babe.
Me? Why are you lying upon my head? Sir, look at me very well. The whole of my family is impotent. My grandfather is impotent. My great-grandfather is impotent. In fact, for our family, we don't get spare. Why are you lying on me? Since 47 years when I find out, I've been in pain.
Shut up. You don't reach 47 years.
Now you lie. Sir, you're making me emotional now.
People can actually lie, you.
Young man, I feel your pains.
Well, that Benz parked outside there.
I wanted to give it to the person that got you pregnant. But since they have all denied you, no problem. Let's go.
Sir, don't worry. Give us 2 minutes, eh? Let's reason ourselves man to man. I'm coming. Let's man to man. What type of crazy? Are you crazy or fool? Are you suffering from psychology? Even if you no get sense, poverty no dey tire you. If you no want collect that pikin, collect the Benz, make we sell and collect money, chop food. I dey do you. Yeah, you know say na you give that girl belle. I be no be you.
Baba, I know this man. Baba, you see, every brief man has brief mental illness. This guy be like Nigerian NEPA. If he off and on anytime. I don't want this guy issues. I don't want him problem. I don't think I wahala.
If I go claim that child, that man give me that Benz. If I sell him, 1 naira no dey give you.
No give me. After all, if you father my pikin, are the same thing. You are my brother. We are the same blood.
Come on, this shame from
I
me.
view.
Look responsible.
So the only reason to accept the baby or to accept the pregnancy
1 naira no
is
condition.
because they want to collect the
No,
Benz
sir,
and
no
sell
worry.
it so they can use the money to eat. These people don't have
My
plan in
in-laws.
life. Let's see how they
Diogo.
went, sha.
I forgot myself just now. I dey get memory lost. Now my brother carry me go remind me. I don't even forget say I pregnant your daughter. I'm very, very sorry. Forgive my manners. It will not happen again. You can see. We even match. Why will I deny this Delilah? Sorry. This pretty girl.
Delilah.
I love her so much. Accept my sincere apology. And I must say a very big thanks to you for the car you give us for us to start life. God will bless you, sir.
Sir, I told you that this format will work.
Thank you very much.
Young man, pikin wey don suffer train to this standard. You get my spoil our future for me. I will show you how rich men treat poor men. Of that magnitude, make sure before this young man come out for pleasing, pikin wey she go born don reach 75 years old.
Young man, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent for anything you say. We use against you in the court of law. Move him! Oh yeah, move!
This evening you will die.
It's the same.
75 years plus my age now. How old do you think I go take?
Oh, move!
It's as if the other guy knew what was going to happen.
You will go and come back same time tomorrow. By then, I would have been done with the sacrifice. You will sue me in money.
Very wicked man. Blaq.
Organize, you will. Hey, Jehovah, you will.
The next day, is this not the person they want to use for sacrifice? This man is playing love.
Sorry for all of you.
Oh, native daughter has found love. He has found love. In
Baba,
his
my
victim.
son, why did you come so early? Baba, no, they tell me that one. Baba, sacrificial material when I can't call give you sit down here, they chop, they play love with her, Baba. Baba, which can't be this one now? A very wicked somebody. How you go get this kind of fine girl?
I wonder.
Get character. Cause I be cook. You want that to do ritual. Be bad person. New generation of these days, you are too lazy and evil. Baby.
Just turn him to anything.
Baby,
Baba, now
baby.
sacrifice material you they call baby for where? Shut up!
You are fighting.
See, I know you want to stress you. You just shell yourself come. Your boyfriend will do.
Your boyfriend will do. Rasolo, you are something else. You get the giving for sacrifice. You're using your heart.
What's up, I did. You remember that girl who we carry for club now? You must not call her Mashawo, but yes, they are Shawo. The girl is there my house city today, you no go believe. Yes, nah. Girl where be say I carry for club on Friday. Where be say Saturday morning I don't give her money making the go. Before I go no, the girl don't wear my polo. With my short knicker. I enter kitchen, he go begin the cook. You know what this girl go cook? She got tidy spaghetti. And you know say spaghetti na something where be said and they take home for work. Yes, nah. We can't chop finish. Before I go no, she can't say she won't watch Annie Pulapo. We can't begin watch. I can't see say time don't go. I can't say okay, stay over for the night. Tomorrow you go. We lolo me law again now, but I give her money if not that one.
You are a very bad boss.
Sunday morning she wake up now. Me I dey even say the girl go from there they go church. I can't remember say Ashawo Fino they go church. You understand? I wake up, the girl don't go tidy fried egg with the bread. And you know say me fried egg and bread in a 5 and 6. Today making Wednesday, the girl still there here now. She never come out. I swear to Almighty God, if this girl
What did she tidy this time?
dear. I just quickly made you rice and chicken.
Ah.
I go call you back, my guy.
I don't so
And if them call you a banger, we have already known we have in fact we don't know your
I go call you back. I go call you back.
the girl wants to laugh.
Guy, I know they talk with you know, Sabi. Because say you see picture for proposal for Instagram, you begin to talk with you, I don't know. You know if Nashi even proposed to me. Why you dey talk like this? Why would they do like that? Guy, make I tell you the truth. I know say the girl don't date this house in 6 months. But I swear to God, today.
Babe, I just made you your favorite soup.
Ah.
Guy, man.
Tell me, how is this man going to
I just want to tell you,
resist
say my wedding on April 7th.
Jesus.
And I don't know if you go day free. Because now you were one use as best man. Hi.
this is actually lead to marriage.
I know they talk if I dey chop.
Jesus, I don't know.
He has already caught you like this. With not exactly men like this that love good food. They don't play with girls that can cook good food. Let me just tell you. You go they eat ogbolo, they go. Let's see Moscoli on this. He was actually crying for the burial. But at the end of the day, let's see what happened to him, and this is a sorrowful thing. Oh God. Oh, everybody is crying.
Now your relation die. Why Nigerians dey like this? No. Thanks for coming. Thank you, I'm sorry. Thank you. Let me pass on.
I will not try it.
Pass on, give Baba. Okay. It's like my own, they come. They bring my own.
I will not try it. What has already landed on my palm and not the,
Why they
release.
don't stand? Thank you all for coming. I really appreciate. I pray this doesn't happen to any one of us. Amen. Safe trip back home. Chama. Sorry for the loss too. My brother, a very vibrant person. Now you be the first one, Abi. And let me be the Diokpara. No vex, I be one time say food no reach me. Kukutu, na lie. I go call the lie. The food don't finish you.
Jesus.
Na lie. I go call the lie. Na lie. That time you see me now, you say make I pass the food. Sorry, and now you cry pass. Na me cry pass now. Maybe na because you don't even wear black. No, I don't get black shirt. That's why I bring my black eyeglass. Oh. Hey, sorry, my bro. Sorry, Sorry.
This is sad. He's already boiling. Tell me, where are you taking the cup to? Where are you taking this casket to? Where?
Bro, abomination. Okay, now abomination. No. But since when I dey cry, you reach food down, I don't give me food. They tell me it's an abomination. But I tell you, say rice don't finish now. This rice no go reach me. When I no go just since make I sort to the guy, they mad. Drop this cup, make the burial for inside grave where they dig now. When I better cover the grave. Then you know, so they don't invite you. Who goes to the mad? Jesus. Even when this dead body they alive, you know if you follow me talking, they mad.
God have mercy upon us.
When I get 3 plates of rice, when I go collect them. They don't even dig. They won't dig grave. When I turn the grave to a fish pond or swimming pool. Ah.
What is happening? The person inside is actually.
And they try go front. If you push me, go back again. I go throw away you. Moscow,
come back. Why are you taking this thing? Because of food, rice.
Boyfriend.
And why did you guys do?
I need your money.
Please don't take my money. This is money I've made so far from Mozart bets.
Give me the bet. How much you don't make it?
3 million.
You threw away your money. You threw away your gun, and you want to go.
Please don't take my money. It's the money I want to use and take apartment for myself.
Should I a room safe? I be a room and parlor safe. I be safe for game.
Wait, are you an agent?
They play. Man, I'm not agent. Okay. What's your budget?
Just 2 million.
Yeah. Now you call like that, really. Well, if you don't call it, ask for vegetable alarm. Run from my house out here. Now I'm out to go there. God have mercy.
Take it out automatically.
I don't understand. The compound no get gate.
Pele will be gate. You better mute me now. Asap. Welcome to a place like oh, good game go.
And you are following him.
Wait, is it what I paid 2 million naira for?
Oh, you don't
She hasn't even paid.
cheap.
Okay, where is my space?
Yeah, this is your room for you.
Take it definitely wrong. You paid 2 million.
Wait, what are those boys in my space?
You be Pluto boys. And the Bible says what? Love your neighbor.
I'm so.
What's in love?
Wait. What about light and water?
Baby, ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́.
Kekere, he must blend into anything. Now he's an agent. Oh my God, I pity for that girl. She hasn't going to regret everything.
You are welcome to Benin.
Thank you very much. It was
not easy bringing you all the way down from Port Harcourt to Benin City.
Okay.
You are welcome. See, I've heard so much about you. Yes. And I believe that you are the only barrister that will help me win this land case.
My brother, you made a wise decision because they don't call me the academic juggernaut and an erudite egghead for nothing. When it comes to cases, I can tramp, trudge, globetrot, and peregrinate all through the whole cosmopolitan metropolis to make sure that I win the case. So if you called me, be rest assured that this land you're going to repossess it.
Come now, let's go to the land so that you will see how the land is and how you help me win this case.
Okay.
No problem, let's go.
Barrister Titus.
So like I told you, you made a wise decision contacting the academic juggernaut.
What?
Wetin be this? This hydrogen, people are still wasting food like
Jesus. Barrister, this is Benin City. This is a normal thing here.
Hydrogen, people are wasting food like
Fresh sacrifice
so,
on
barrister,
me,
like
and
I tell you,
yes.
I don't suffer well for this land. All the people who are even the cause say they don't fit defend this land. I don't suffer. People know just
wait. Since I came, I've been seeing different type of food in different junctions, just left unattended to. What is really going on? Why is this food just here now? Why are they wasting food like this?
Barrister, I never tell you say na Benin be this. You see all the food where they see like this. Now sacrifice for the gods.
Best gods.
This is a pity.
Come when they go show you the land now. Come now.
We may be hungry.
So like I told you, calling the academic juggernaut was the right choice you made. Because as an erudite that can win all these cases. Because when the land of the as I came to put everything, no, don't worry, you understand when we do.
So barrister, I am so happy that you came to Benin to help me win this land. As you can see, this is the land.
Barrister has went ahead.
Barrister.
Jesus.
Now search up the judge case, honestly. You need to eat.
1, 2.
There are a lot of food, lot of sacrifice for the gods, and he has automatically turned himself to the gods. Let's see, he's going to favor Barrister Titus.
When he speak, you go low, yeah.
And the food looks very fresh. If now you for it.
I don't think believe say food go cheap like this for this country.
Yeah, the man there now.
Oga babe, come on, make I go.
Come now. Where this man?
Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Barrister Titus Restaurant. As you can see, we sell the cheapest of the cheap food. Please, young lady, what do you want to buy?
Oga, I need jollof rice with 2 big meats.
Okay. Jollof rice and 2 meats. That'll be 100 naira.
Jesus.
Okay. No. Keep your plates. We have plates. Sir, what would you need, sir?
I need white rice with small stew, like 7 meat made there on top am.
That'll be 200 naira.
7 meat with anger.
Okay, go now. Go inside now. Go bring food.
Just be patient. Be patient.
They wait.
Barrister Titus restaurants, food very cheap.
A creative mind is a fertile land for growth. Very good.
Jollof rice and 2 giant meats.
Yes.
Here you go.
Okay.
The rice and stew.
Yes.
Business is booming.
Yes.
Barrister Titus Restaurant, we sell the cheapest food. I will not cast this update. Gaga at 1 gaga.
The girls will come for you. I've not seen anything. The girls will actually come for him more.
What are you doing here?
Baby.
What are you doing here?
You know tomorrow is your birthday. As a caring boyfriend that Emeka is, as Emeka come surprise you ahead. You understand? I got you a gift.
Yes,
birthday gift.
5 and 6.
An iPhone.
Yeah.
Even an iPhone gets finished like that. More. This lazy, crazy nation, this guy, KZ, he's doing well.
Who are you? Hey, boss, going on. Who is this young man?
That's my delivery guy. Came to deliver it to
Hey! How many times have I told you not to get his on? Let's go on.
Madam,
what is it?
you never pay me now. You say payment on delivery. I don't deliver. I never get a lot.
How much is it?
Organize 1.5 million. You get what? I don't want now. Why they shout?
You got the point now. Please call the account.
22. Literally. 445.
I never knew this comedy is that.
Thank you, sir.
Very good update. It's a very good thing for everyone to learn right now. You are taking you took gifts to your loved ones, like to your lover, the person you crush on, like before you know your boyfriend come out, come they say, and she come they say the person give am the gift. When you know she has a boyfriend, I'll just automatically turn a delivery man like, you don't pay me the money, I swear to God, you don't pay me. Your husband will send you. Stop giving me a
How far, bro? You want Bab?
Yes.
Now your first time, Abi?
Yes.
Mad. Just pick one hairstyle for there.
I won't call this one.
No wahala now. Man just sharply finish with this guy.
Fuck up the club, we no send young man who buy the bar now we spend.
Is the food free?
Oh yes, so far your baby is free. Yeah, bros, come back.
He was remembering
What did be this?
how he ate stupor and almost died.
Thank you.
And he refused the food. Azu. And he remembered how he drunk almost stupor. He couldn't control himself anymore. And he refused.
You know you say the slap eyewitness for eye.
Like drink is his weakness.
So you can come have your massage while you wait to cut your hair. Take off your clothes.
Wait, after I'm done cutting my hair, I'll come and have a massage.
He doesn't want to fall his hand, honestly.
You never see anything.
He doesn't want to fall his hand because of all this.
How much is the haircut?
Check the price list now.
Jesus!
1 million.
Jesus!
2 million, 700k, 400k.
I say don't happen.
My guy vanished. He didn't took up, he vanished because even the gate man no say how.
Hello? Where are you? I've been calling you since. I'm in your estate.
Don't worry, wait for me there. I'll come and pick you up now.
Why is he running?
Okay, you don't run, Abi. You don't want to pay my house rent, Abi. I'm going to wait for you, no worry.
And there is a girl waiting for him outside.
If they scratch us like skit.
And nobody go.
Hello, my bro. How far now?
Guy, problem dey like this, so.
Huh? What happened?
I suppose go pick one girl like that, but my landlord dey outside. I'm if you go out, I don't have rent.
Yeah, please, who get this building?
Who place? Una need talk for this place. Who get this building?
It's me. How can I help you? We're sent for the ministry to take down this building because this building is an illegal structure.
My house? On whose order? But now be government. Have you not say after God the government?
Leave here. Leave here. Security. Leave here. Leave here. We're joking, right? Then follow us. Come and see. Come on, follow us.
My house?
See him.
Jesus! Jesus!
She's in our replay.
Una serious? I be more scatter my house. I beg. What's I go do now?
You go office. You go back there. Why we go wait here for further instructions?
I will go. I beg. I will go. I be more thought. I beg.
Time they go.
I will go. I beg.
They play. Just they play.
Enjoy your weekend.
Big set, bro. Everywhere good.
They actually did the man smarting, like
Where have you been?
they outsmart him.
Sorry for that. You know what? Let's go.
How much are you going to pay for this smart move? This investor vibe. You did well, my guy. You did well. That's a fine one there. Let's see how you
Something
do.
I've been hearing about you is true, Abi. You are with me because of my money. You this thinking thing that I picked up from the gutter. And it is over. The engagement is over. Don't you ever call me.
What happened? What did he do?
Hey, why? What's happened?
My girlfriend broke up with me. I don't really know who's feeding her bad news. Like, bro, all my hope has come to end.
No cry now, no cry. Eh? Man, be God. You no go talk of woman. Eh? You have to stay strong. You get? Sorry, why? What you doing for mouth?
What?
Now fight.
It's a prank.
Oh shit!
So it's true.
How is he going to explain?
Oh, baby, I can explain. I can explain.
He can never explain. He can't explain this, and the guy will think he's a game well. These people are feeding him with this kind of lies.
As you are looking good though.
Were you expecting me to look bad before? Where did they come from?
I go buy gift to my boyfriend though. I say make a small for one.
Eh? So what you come with this one?
My belt too. Original belt.
Okay.
This one's strong. Since I love my boyfriend, this one don't go spoil quick.
You wear your boyfriend they beat, you go to buy a belt.
My $20.
Sorry, my condolences, eh? And she was a nice girl. So
but she's still alive.
Accept her so.
Help her so for what? Someone that is still alive, like still vibrant and lively, and you're telling God already to accept her soul. You said your boyfriend used to beat you. You know your boyfriend is a woman beater, and you went ahead to buy him beds. You're not cursed. Let's forget about that. Thank you guys for watching this comedy video, and I believe you enjoyed it. It's a very hilarious one. Honestly, I took my time to select it for you guys so that you won't get bored at any point. I know you enjoy every bit of it till this very end. So guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Kindly subscribe, like this video, share it to all your social media platforms, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell icon. That will enable you get alert whenever we post any of our video. Not only comedy, give away also. All right guys, let's dive into the favorite moment of this comedy. There are a lot of favorite moments too. Many, I know people talk. I know you have a lot of favorite moments, but the comment is still there for you guys to keep, sending, like, typing your favorite moments, sending it. There are a lot of favorite moments there. Yeah, and let me say, I really love this part. Like, I really don't know how Ayomide can explain this. There is no way he can explain this. Honestly, there is no way. His girlfriend was trying to prank him, and at the end of the day, after she left, she decided, to turn back and tell the boyfriend that it's just a prank. But at the end of the day, she found a boyfriend with his friend, and the friend was about to remove something from the eyes, and let's say they won't kiss. I want to explain that. That is why we're praying that God should never let us be in the scene that we can't explain, in a problem that we can't explain. It's really bad though. It's really bad. And I love this one. It's a very fantastic one from Funny Bros. Funny Bros did the move now. Everything was actually interesting, and I love the pattern whereby it featured Moscow. I really love the fact that it featured Moscow in this comedy. Funny Bros has been doing his comedy without featuring anybody. Like, he has been doing them alone, and it has been funny, and everyone has been laughing about it. But this time around, Funny Bros came with a different pattern. I want more when I really don't know that song, but I really love the song. But let's forget about that. Let's talk about Funny Bros. Like, Moscow actually did his role perfectly, played his role perfectly. Everybody there played their role perfectly, and it all ended up to be a very comic one. And I give thumbs up to Funny Bros. You need to see the way the thing ended now. You laugh safe now, I know. And Nasbo actually came up with this funny scene where, he could not resist any food. And this girl was just an alone show that they had one night stand. But at the end of the day, the girl refused to go. Instead, keep cooking good food. Good food. If Nami are going to, have you seen good food? Don't see food. This get Ketra Olosho, you go carry Ketra Olosho and you think say you no go marry. Una must marry, and the person you were complaining to, like, you expected to give you like advice on how to, discard this girl, has now been the person you are ending call on. The person was actually trying to call you to know how far, but you end the call like because you've seen good food. Hi! Men and food, oh, men and food. Well, I love that. I love that. I love that. And which other part that got me is this Mama Okazi. Mama Okazi must land him into trouble. I love the way he opened his eye to talk. I love the way he shined his eye to talk with power and everything. Very hilarious guy. He's a very hilarious guy, honestly. And I love the part that the person who actually impregnated the girl didn't show up, but you want to claim because of Benz. You want to sell Benz and start making money. Think you're going to be rich by claiming that pregnancy, and at the end of the day, it landed him into a very big trouble. I love the way everything went and how it goes. Please, if you're not subscribed and you're watching, kindly subscribe. Turn on post notification bell icon. Do this, as I said it one more time, because of our giveaway time, so that you won't be left behind. You won't be left behind. Don't tell me that Crity boy, I have not received your giveaway. While I was monetized, then I do giveaway. Like, it's a normal thing for me. So when I get monetized this time, it's very small, little small, very small time. I remember when I get monetized now, I'll start it again. And if you've not subscribed, you better do that so that you won't miss any of our giveaway. That is just my little piece of advice to you guys. And this funny scene actually got me, Brother Solo. The woman they brought for you to, use as a sacrificial lamb, you turn into a love bed with her. I've never seen a little daughter being a love bed with its victim or sacrificial lamb. Someone they brought for you to use for money ritual. You now become lover boy, or as in doing love with her. But I love it. I love Rasulu. I love Rasulu comedy. I love all of them, and I found them very interesting. And I believe it will be good for you, and it will actually make you laugh. To forget about so many things Nigeria is bringing upon us, like inflation, hardship in the country, all those kind of things. I believe this comedy will actually make you forget some of it and actually inspire you, and it's actually good for your head. Laughter is good for our heads, not only you, everybody's heads. You don't understand. So guys, one thing in life is just to be patient in all you do. Be patient in all you do. No matter what, just be patient and think smart on how you're going to act, especially when you think somebody with you is misbehaving. There is a way to handle it instead of you to start, fighting, talking, causing more problem or more harms to the relationship. I really love what not Nas boy, Nasty Blaq did. I'm actually trying to refer all these things I just said to Nasty Blaq. The way he was so matured enough to handle this. Like, the girl was actually trying to become a bad girl. Like, I don't want to cook anymore, having a bad character, having bad attitude. She's not even actually, serving you as a husband. She's not treating you as the man of the house. So instead of you to start complaining, quarreling, this is an update to just go outside, get somebody, get some tush babe, like endowed, God bless African women. Bring them, employ them, give them their roles to play in the house, like give them some chores to handle in the house. And at the end of the day, when a woman comes in, she will be like, oh, she might think at first you were cheating on her, but when she realized that the old guests are calling you sir, she will know that something is wrong. And then you tell her that this is what I did, this one is my house girl, just as Nasty Blaq did. And at the end of the day, you see her, amending all her nonsense character, all her character that she thinks she cannot repair, and she thinks she can do anything. But after she see you that you're capable of doing all this kind of thing, that things, she would not allow any woman to cook for you. She wouldn't even want any woman to cook for you at all. Instead, she will start like having this good character, cooking, treating you well, realizing that you are a man, and she ought to treat you well, this kind of thing. So I think Nasty Blaq did well, and I love the comedy. That's why I put it in front for you guys to see it first. All this comedy you just watch, it's not mine. I'm actually reacting to it to make it funny to you guys. And I believe you enjoyed every bit of it. So guys, I'm going to be calling it a day. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy. And the next one, expect banger from me. We're going to see you guys. Have a wonderful time and stay blessed.